Well, if you have been looking to create YouTube channel or you want to customize the one you already own, I guess today is your lucky day, because in this video I'm going to show you how to create and customize your YouTube channel, and as a bonus I'm going to show you how to create that channel ad and put it on your YouTube channel. So if you're as excited as I am, let's get started. Well, before you get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that and hit the bell notification button. That way when I release the next video you'll be notified. Alright, let's do this. YouTube channel, how to create a YouTube channel. Let's get started. So right here I'm signed in with my Google account. Let me just sign out just to make sure we are all on the same page. Alright, okay, so now I'm going to sign in, or you can sign in with any account that you have. I'm going to sign in with an account that doesn't have a YouTube channel. I'm going to assume that you're just getting started and you don't have a YouTube channel yet, so we are going to create one together. After signing in using your Google account, you just click on your profile icon and then you'll find this button right here, create a channel. So it is as simple as giving your YouTube channel a name, whatever you feel like. You might want to take a look at some of the other YouTube channels in your industry or your category or your niche to make sure you get this right. Anyway, just click on create channel. We shall upload this picture later. Alright, great, excellent. Now we have our channel, entertainment news. This is our channel. Now the next step is customizing the channel, because we want our channel to have a nice look, like maybe let's see. Alright, we want our channel to have a cover, this cover right here. Well, it's called the cover in most of the other social media channels, like it's called the cover on Facebook, it's called the header on Twitter, and the banner on LinkedIn. So the channel art right here is called the channel art in YouTube. So you want to create this channel art, and we also want to upload a profile picture, and probably if you have videos uploaded, you can be able to customize this, as I will show you later. Alright, videos is all your uploaded videos, and playlists, you create these. You can create playlists with your own videos or with other people's videos that you have liked, and then channels that you have liked will appear in the channel section, and the discussion section is where you're going to build your community to communicate with your subscribers and build your community. So the about section is where the magic happens. For example, it's where you're going to see your views, and this is also where you're going to add your links. For example, you can add your website links and other social media links. Alright, so now that you know the structure of your YouTube channel and what your visitors will be seeing, let's get to how you can customize it. So let's go back to your new fresh YouTube channel and click on customize channel. Or if you already have a YouTube channel and you haven't customized it, just click on customize channel. Alright, great. Customizing the channel will take you to the YouTube studio, studio.youtube.com, just where you do things like customize your dashboard, like what other people will see when they get to your channel. For example, the first video that you saw on the channel right here is the featured video. You can create videos for returning subscribers, and you can also create a channel trailer, a short video that will explain to people what your channel is about. The other sections that you have seen on the channel, like this one, this line, and this line, and the next line, these are the sections. You can just click on add section, and you can choose whether to add a playlist in that section, or you can choose to add popular videos. This is a playlist. You can choose either to add a single playlist or you can create multiple playlists and add them to one section. For example, if I scroll down below, you'll notice I have this playlist, but it has multiple playlists within. Alright, cool. So that's the layout of your channel. Next is the branding. So the branding is if you go back to the channel, this is the profile picture and the channel art. YouTube Studio goes ahead and tells you and shows you how your banner will look on the mobile, on the laptop, and the big screens like the smart TVs and the Apple TV. Alright, the video mark. Now the video mark is this small icon right here. Call it an icon or anything. It can be an icon, it can be your logo, it can be your name. So for me, I decided to make it this small kind of subscription button, which is 150 by 150 pixels. I don't want to get you guys into this kind of pixels detail stuff. Anyway, so if you already have your profile picture, just click on upload and upload it right here. All right, let me look for my profile picture very quick. I'm going to use this one for now. Let me see if it fits. Well, I guess it does. My A is a bit cut off. Let's just go with that. Just click on done and you have our profile picture right there. The next is the banner image. Now the banner image, that's what we are going to design, and that's why I have my Canva opened up right here. I guess you guys already know what Canva is. I already have a Canva Pro Course on this channel. You can check it out on my website mugabeimran.com. That's the full course. Anyway, so to create a YouTube channel art using Canva, just type in YouTube. Okay, so we get all these options, and among those we have the YouTube channel art. Yes, we have things like the YouTube display ad, YouTube thumbnail. By the way, in the last video I showed you how to create a YouTube thumbnail. If you didn't catch the video, I'll leave the links below in the video description. So today we are creating a YouTube channel art. Just click on that. Canva will load up hundreds of templates for you to choose from. Now I don't think I'm going to choose any template. It's fun to create something from a template, but I want to create mine from scratch. So I'm just going to click on create a blank YouTube channel art. Alright, so Canva will load up the Canva editor, the Canva graphics editor, or you can call it the Canva online graphics editor. Now these are the templates right here, but I don't want to use any templates. So we are going to go to elements. Again, all these ones were explained clearly in the Canva Pro series. In the Canva Pro tutorials, as I mentioned earlier, you can find all the videos on this channel. Well, I guess we might go with a template because working from scratch is tedious, right guys? Let's look for a quick template. Let me go back to this templates page here and scroll through very quick and see if I find something. No, actually, let's just create something from scratch. So the first step is going to be uploading my logo. So just click on upload media. As you can see, you can upload media from your Instagram or from your Google Drive or Dropbox. I'm just going to upload from my computer, so I click on Drive and I'll choose both these two logos and this one too, I guess, just to get some of that gradient colors from there. Click on open and this will load up. And by the way, you can also drag and drop into Canva. Works perfectly. Alright, so we have our logo inside Canva. So just click on it or click and drag it into this is the canvas in Photoshop, right? So in Canva, I guess it's still the canvas. So just click and drag. Alright, so let's first fill the background color. Just click in the background, got this icon for color, and let's fill the background with this color. I guess that will do for now. Let's delete this. You won't need that. Reduce the size a bit, and let's put our slogan on the side here. So let's just go to text. Just click on text and then look for a quick template. Let's just take this one. Alright, now first of all, text is too big, but I'm just going to first change it to my own words and then I'm going to edit it. So first of all, it's squeezed, the G is sitting on the I, so I want to separate that. Just go to this letter spacing, and that's the wrong one. That's the letter spacing. I want the line spacing. So line spacing, I get a little bit of space, but I guess I'll have to scale it down. So I just click on the text and use these handles right here in the corners. That would be, I guess I'll have all the text in one line. Scale it down a little bit more and click and drag to place it somewhere around here. Now, as you can see, I'm moving two lines of text, the big one and this small one. That's because they are both grouped. If you want to ungroup, just click and go to this button and go to ungroup. If you have this one closed, you will see the button ungroup right here. Now that it's ungrouped, I can just click on this one and delete it by using backspace, or if I use Ctrl Z for undo, I click it again, can use this button to delete it. So two ways to delete, right? Anyway, so I think let's first go with this one for now. I could probably put up a photo in the background and bring this one right here and make it my background for the text and for the logo. So now it's sitting on top of the logo. All you need to do is right click and go to send backward. Now it's at the back of the logo, so I have to reduce the opacity a bit, I guess, or give it a little bit of another color just to see how it turns out. Now you might wonder why I'm not designing the rest of this space and the rest of this space. Well, it depends on the photos that you are using and the graphics that you are using, but I don't want to take up a lot of your time trying to design something here. I just want to show you how to customize your YouTube channel with a channel art. Now, if you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to check out that course that I mentioned earlier, the Canva Pro Course at mugabeimran.com. Now, I think it's time to download this Canva channel art and take it to YouTube. So just click on download and choose the right format. I'm going to go with PNG and click on download. Very good, we have our download right here. So the next thing is to go back to your YouTube channel, the one you are customizing. Go back to YouTube Studio where you have been customizing your channel, and right here let's go to the banner image and upload our banner image, the one that we just created. So it should be in the downloads down here. Just click it and click open. Alright, so I think now you can see why I was only designing the center, like the middle part. I wasn't minding so much about the rest of the part, and that's because on desktop that's all we will be seeing, and then on some other mobile phones you'll be seeing, and the rest of this part can show on TVs like the Apple TV and those other huge screens. But as far as I have seen, I think we'll have to make a few changes. For example, the word reviews, I think I might have to reduce it so it fits in this small space right here on all devices. So this small part is how it's going to be showing on all devices. So let's go back to Canva and fix that very quick. Alright, so I'm just going to go back to Canva and reduce the size and push it on the right. Also reduce the size of this text. I think that will be good for now. I guess I'll have to change this background. Go to photos and just type in entertainment or magazines or whatever. So just click and drag it in the background and click in the background and go to this transparency. Reduce the opacity of this image. Also change the color of the background to black. Good. So when it's showing on the TV screens, on the huge screens, it will still show some cool stuff in the background. I guess I'll click on this and also reduce the opacity. Go to transparency and take it down to whatever looks good for you. I guess I'll go with this for now. Go back to download and choose the right format. Click download. Go back to your YouTube channel, cancel this upload and change this for the new download new channel art. I think you can see now it's a little bit clearer on all the other devices. Click done. Alright, our channel is coming together. Now this small thing here, I'm not going to show you how to create it, but I'm going to give you a quick tip. 150 by 150. Just go to Canva from your home page. From your home page, on the right, there's a button that says custom size. Click on custom size and put in 150 by 150. Right, and press enter. Just like that. Just like that, you have the right size for this small video watermark right here. Great. Lastly is the basic info. Remember the parts we have looked at. We have looked at the layout, the custom layout of the channel. We have looked at the branding. Now the basic info is the description, the channel description, and then you get to add your own links, as we have seen in the about section right here. So if you scroll down, these are the links. You get to add all of them right here. So I'm going to begin by adding a quick website. Alright, silverstargadgets.com. One link for now, and this one will be you should definitely have a better description than 2-3 words for a company description. Anyway, so once you're done, just click on publish and your changes will be live. That's how you create and customize your YouTube channel. Whenever you need to customize the channel, just go to studio.youtube.com and do your stuff. So right now, if you go back to this channel, click on view channel. That looks good. So we have our channel art ready and the website link that we added, plus our profile picture. So the next thing would be adding videos, which is very simple to do. Just click on upload video, or just use on this upload button, which is very simple to do. You can even upload your videos using your mobile phone. So just click on select and upload a bunch of videos. You can upload all of them at once, just drag and drop. I'm not sure how many you can upload at a time, but I'm sure there are more than 10 or more than 15 at once. So I guess the video is helpful. If it was, make sure to show some love, leave some comments, hit the like button, and share the video with your friends. And I hope to see you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Definitely subscribe and hit the bell notification button. In that case, you will be notified when I release the next video. Alright, hope to see you in the next one. Alright, thanks a lot for watching the video, and I hope it helps you get started with YouTube and video marketing generally. If you like the video, if you find it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And I hope to see you in the next video.